Hello Siacoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Siacoin. What's the current price of the Siacoin? What's the price changes occurring in the Siacoin? In this video I'm going to show you, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos my friends. Anyways my friends, at this time that is the alert news for all Siacoin holders, and this video I'm talking about the Siacoin future. Is the price pump, is the price jump in the future my friends. So first of all my friends, if we talk about the price of the Siacoin SC in the market, so 0.013895 USD dollar is the currently price of the Siacoin. Furthermore my friends, if we talk about the price changes occurring the Siacoin, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occurring in the Siacoin as positive. Absolutely good changes occur and the Siacoin from the last 1 week my friends. So that's really a good news video. That's really a good video for all Siacoin holders. Hope you are feeling good about Siacoin my friends. My friends, if we talk about the market rank of the Siacoin, so now this time the market rank of the Siacoin is 94. That is the market rank. Absolutely the rank will also increase if the price changes increase my friends. On this side my friends, absolutely that is the last 1 day, last 24 hours price chart of the Siacoin, and from this chart that's clear for everyone that they taken a huge pump and still they are in the jumping mood. So that's really a great news video for all of you my friends. If we talk about the price of the Siacoin, so positive 6.01% changes occur in the Siacoin, and the highest price is 0.013949 USD dollar is the highest price of the Siacoin my friends. The changes is going good, so that's really a great news for all of you. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.